Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on your 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got a new 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. How do you actually go ahead and change the language? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on Setup, which is located right over here. Next, you're going to click on General. And then from here, you're going to scroll down and then click where it says Language, so right over here. So this is where you can actually change the language from English, French, Spanish, etc. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the language on your 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching.